Welcome to Precursive. I'm Zoe and I'm our product marketing manager, and I'll be introducing you to the world of Precursive. Today, we are looking at our multi-currency enhancement. Our Precursive multi-currency solution allows users to have projects in different currencies than your org default, and even use a rate card with a different currency than your project. Users can change the currency and rate card on a project before you even start allocating your resource. For example, you can see on my screen at the moment that the default currency for this org is pound sterling, but the supported currencies that can also be used and edited are pound sterling, dollars, and euros. This is because you might have resources in different locations and they can have a separate currency assigned. In that case, once you assign a named individual to a project, all costs will be taken from the resource and will be recalculated into the org and project currency assigned. The expenses that you log against your project can also have a different currency than your org. This is because we recognize that your resources can travel the world. This can be seen by our example, Tom, who resides in the US, and therefore all of his expenses and his rate card could be in US dollars, depending on what's appropriate for your project. Our project here is a fixed price active project. And although we've already established that our default org currency is pound sterling, the currency set for this project is euros. If you would like to view more of our video content and learn more about our Precursive features and enhancements, head over to precursive.com and let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.